Umcebo Mnisi ukwazile ukufinyelela eSwatini kodwa wahlangabezana nezibila zithutha. Iloli lakhe beligcwele impahla lilinyaziwe.
There was a big protest in town, and I tried to make a U-turn facing the oncoming traffic. While I was on my way, they came in a full sprint to block my truck. And while they blocked my truck, they tried to step my wheels.
Sekusuku lwesibili amaloli elindile lapha kulomngcele.
Kwangala la sikhona khona. Asathi sesiphephe kanganani yize kona bemthetho. Bangala eSouth Africa bayazama ukuthi bazame kusihlola ukuthi silele njani.
Ayisebenzi internet eSwatini.
Internet is cut and then they allow it to work for even less than 20 or 15 minutes, then they also switch it off. So we've got a crisis here.
Ungasebenzi kwe-internet ikhona ukukhonjwa ngenjumbane ngokugcwala kulomngcele.
We wake up and only to find that the systems where by which the clearing agencies are using to clear the trucks, it's not working in Swatini, it's down. So they cannot process the trucks.
Labo banenhlanhla bakwazile ukufinyelela eSwatini baqinisekisile ukuthi imigwaqo ibivaliwe.
We are from Durban. We couldn't even go down that way. We had to take this route out.
Iningizimu Afrika ingelinye lamazwe athumela imikhiqizo kuleliyazwe lingumakhelwane. Manje ke njengoba amaloli ebambeke emngceleni nje kungenzeka izakhamuzi ibhekane nengwadla kwentula kwempahla maduze nje.